Green card applicants in the US, including Indians, could face tougher scrutiny under a new Trump administration rule. The US Citizenship and Immigration Services has expanded the definition of public charge. The new rule takes effect on September 18th. Under the revised policy, immigration officers can consider an applicant's use of means-tested government benefits. These include Medicaid, food stamps, housing assistance, and college financial aid. Earlier, only cash assistance for income maintenance and long-term government-funded institutionalization were considered under the rule. USCIS said officers will assess 5 statutory factors along with other relevant circumstances to determine whether an applicant is likely to become a public charge. The agency said this assessment could include the receipt of means-tested public benefits. The change follows the Department of Homeland Security's decision to withdraw the 2022 Biden-era public charge regulations.